In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out Charles Schwab Mobile. Keeping your financial information secure starts with a proper sign out, so I'll walk you through the most reliable way to log out of the Charles Schwab mobile app on Android, and I'll also explain a quick exit option and when to use it. First, open the Schwab mobile app on your Android phone. Once you're in, look for the main menu. Depending on your screen size and app version, this will appear either as a three-line menu icon or a button labeled More. You'll typically see it in a corner at the top or the bottom of the screen. Tap that to open your full menu. With the menu open, scroll all the way down to the bottom. The logout option is usually placed at the very end of this list, so keep scrolling until you see logout or sign out. Tap that option. If the app asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm to complete the process. After a moment, you'll be taken back to the login screen. That's your visual confirmation that you're fully signed out. The next time you open the app, you'll need to enter your credentials or use your saved sign-in method to get back in. Now, there's also a quick way to exit if you're in a hurry. You can close the app from your recent app screen. This is useful if you just need to step away for a second. However, it's important to know that closing the app does not always sign you out. Your session may still be active in the background, especially if you've enabled features like biometric sign-in. For full protection, always use the in-app log out or sign out option I just showed you. A few quick reminders to keep your account secure. Make logging out a habit every time you finish checking your accounts or making trades. This is especially important if you ever share your phone with someone else, or if you're connected to public Wi-Fi, like at a coffee shop or airport. Logging out ensures that even if someone picks up your device, they won't have access to your financial information. That's it. Open the app, go to the menu, scroll to the bottom, tap Logout or Sign Out, and confirm when prompted. You'll know you're done when you land on the login screen. Thanks for watching, and stay safe while managing your money on the go.